Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a neck wrap walk. Having done things like a neck break and things before would be helpful, but and would give you a nice exit from this move, but it's quite simple. There's no real prerequisites for it. So we'll show you and we'll jump straight in. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So obviously we're in a neck break position as we do our walk, which means you could literally just use a neck break on the way out. We just came to face, which is the easy way. So let's break it down. Starts off right to right. We go semicircle and back. It starts from a return. So we're going to be using a return obviously off a previous move. You start the return. As the lady's going round, guys, we head forwards and to the right, so we're actually coming to the lady's side and we're turning to our left. So as the lady comes around, we turn her an extra time, bringing the hand onto her right shoulder while we join her at her left hand side. From this position you would end up feet together. However, a lot of the time momentum causes the ladies to want to start into a step, or you can even guide the lady into a step. So we're going to do it with this step where we go forwards and then we do a little rock. So we go back on the right and then we start our walk forwards, and we're going to go walk and walk. We're going to send the lady away, bringing the right hand down to face, return and back. How far you walk is up to you. You might walk for 1, you might walk much further, you might use this as a way to change which position you are on the floor. So let's think numbers. We're going to go back 1, returning 2, round onto the shoulder and step 3, back 4, walking 5, 6, away 7, facing 8, return 1 and back 2. The releasing and facing could also be done in a single count, so it doesn't have to be done over 2 counts. 2 counts feels quite slow, so if the music's really fast, it's nice. But if the music's really slow, you might well want to do it in 1 count. So okay, here we go, let's try it. Making sure we've got space to do a little bit of a walk. Here we go. 5, a 6, a neck, a wrap, our walk. We go a back, around and touch, back, walk, walk, away, look, return and back. That little step forward is optional, and the rock back is optional as well. If you've actually got it to the point where you just stop dead, you could actually go straight into the walk forwards if you wanted to. In fact, we'll even give us another go and we'll try it that way. So no rock, no point at the start. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we even did the fast exit as well. So we cut loads out and it's still a nice little move. Okay, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. The bell basically gives you a notification when a new video is posted. Thank you very much to everyone who does that, because it helps promote the channel. And we'll pop a music recommendation on the end as something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.